It has been a while, and we do apologise, but we've been extremely busy. It is difficult to record videos when we're trying to obviously get customers' cars out. We've got this video for you today, and this, as you've guessed from the title, is a Widebody Mazda 3 MPS. He's going big power in this. So from what I understand is he went through some water, car never started after that. Car sat for about a year, I think. But now he wants to bring it back to life, so he wants to forge it. He's got a big ass turbo in the back, hasn't he? Yeah. A big turbo. So we're going to forge it, but we've come to the first problem already, haven't we?
It's dead.
It's dead.
Dead.
Yeah, it's dead. So the key isn't even responding. Can't even turn the key in the ignition, can we?
No, because
it's one of them bad boys. So here it is. A good old Max Power days. Look at this, Max Power Mazda 3 MPS. It actually looks quite nice, to be fair. I quite like the colour. It reminds me of my Corsa. You know the colour I had on that?
Yeah.
But quick inspection, just while we can show you how fun this is going to be. Let's see if you can actually see that turbo right there. Look at the crusty balls in that.
Just remember the size of that though.
Yeah, look at the crusty balls in that. Wow, my god. You might be thinking, is that done yet? No, it's not. No, it should be though. In April, should be getting it painted. So we'll be doing a mad rush to get that finished, so we can get it painted, get it all down to. I don't even know where it is actually. He came up, didn't he, to give me a quote. But shout out to Manny for giving me a quote. We'll see you soon with this beast, so it can be painted. Regards to flip cars, you might be like, yeah, you put a video out to the flip series. Yes, we did, because we did have 3 cars lined up. We were supposed to go and collect all 3 cars for the flip series. All 3 people decided that they didn't want to sell us, and now it's kind of impossible to find a car at £500. So we are looking. We haven't forgot about that. We just want to try and get quite a few videos before we actually post all them out. So it's just going to be probably one of them things where we have to wait, unfortunately, but we want to get, like I said, a good selection of videos to put about 10 of them out, so you can see quite a few cars, just in case this does happen, because, you know, it does happen. This is it's not all staged, it's actually seeing stuff as it is. Like now, we're really actually struggling to get in.
There we go.
Into this car. Here we go. There we go. As I was saying, it's not staged. So we're going to go to the boot, because I'm going to show you this big turd spell. It's right here. Look at that beast. So that is going on the car. We've got many things. He's got a big intake pipe and everything, but look at the size of it. Oh, that's great. All you can see is my big bald head. Look at the car problems. I'll tell you something. That looks very simple from where you're stood, but I'm out of breath. The ramp to get into this unit is actually really steep, isn't it? Yeah. It's literally like that. So, full car with an engine in it. It's not as straightforward as you think. Never is.
Not too fat, guys.
No, I think I need breakfast. As famous Colin McRae said, right here, it says there, if in doubt, fat out. Words spoken of a true gentleman. More and more evidence of it's been in water. Hey Jack, look.
Well, yeah.
So Jack's been weed on. Excuse me. He's took an intercooler pipe off, and this is what's come out. Look, ready? Like, we've not put nothing in there.
Well, no,
at all.
I'm not going to get myself piss wet through for no reason.
So it was all in the intercooler as well. He's took that off. We're going to have to dry all that out. We're going to have to clean the whole thing inside as well, because we don't know what else there is. Electric wise, don't know if it's done any damage. Again, we'll find out
I'm assuming it has.
in the end. Eh?
I reckon it has.
I reckon it has as well, but we noticed that the lights was corroded on the back as well. It's like it's been sat in water though, isn't it? It's weird. It's like it's been sat in water for a very, very long time. Because underneath it's quite rusty as well. Rusty. But yeah, so as we delve in deeper into this, there is more and more damage.
Hold up. Just
more and more damage. Obviously, internally, if there's water in the intercooler, there's going to be water inside that engine. The engine doesn't turn over at all. It's just hydrolocked completely, which is perfectly understandable.
Keep talking to the peoples.
Right.
Because I'm going to take this side off and see how full this is, so you can see.
Oh, you haven't took this side off yet, have you?
Nope.
Oh, no, I can see it. I can see it.
Oh, hold up, let's just...
Your phone's down there.
Yeah, it's fine.
So, yeah, it's going to be eventful. We're going to see if we can revive it. Oh, dear. Why do we do this to ourselves? Honestly, we always do this.
For the fun.
It is for the fun and for the peoples. That's what it's for. But this is where we're at right now.
Didn't need that. All that.
Front end is off. Nah. That is weird because they look like they're bent, but they're not. Like factory. See there?
Yeah.
But anyway, so this is where we're at. Look at inside this throttle body.
But
Crusty nuts. But it still works, so it still moves. That's good. So we can clean that all up. But problem we got now is drive shafts stuck. Drive shafts are stuck. I'm guessing they probably actually seizing the gearbox if it's had water or something. I don't know. To be fair, we don't know where the extent the water damage has gone, do we? Actually, which is a bit terrifying. What was that look for? What is that? Oh, is that a connect? Oh, okay. Anyway, anyhow, next step is actually try and get these drive shafts out, innit?
yeah, there's not actually that much left. There's just the drive shafts and the engine mounts.
Yeah, it's not actually been that bad, has it, to get out? It's been like quite straightforward. It's literally a bit like the courses, isn't it? Really.
Pretty much.
There's just a few extra little bits and shits and bits.
What, like that?
All that, yeah, that's unnecessary, surely. Mazda. The loom itself like that, they are same on the JVXR, aren't they? No, the Astra H, aren't they?
Yeah, you got a little one on the H.
And then the J's got a massive one that sits like that, but this has got loads more leeway, because obviously you have to lift the engine over, but the J, that has no leeway whatsoever, does it? So you have to really put them in precise, which is annoying, but we're getting there. It's progress, so hopefully we can get it out, get the drive shafts out. There is a lot of movement in that drive shaft though, isn't there? There is a lot of movement, like more than normal. There's also a hole in the sump.
Yes.
Which we'll get to. This is the stage we're at. She's raising. Like a raisin. Wait. Oh, it's that. I wonder if the people know that raisins are actually dried up grapes. Do they actually know that, do you think? Let me know if you know about that. If you actually know that they're dried up grapes.
Well, they do now, if they didn't.
Yeah, it's an amazing fact. So, Jack's just hauling this beast out right now, and it's coming slowly, but surely. We have to take the bonnet off because we have to got exceptional reach. However, there is a lot of room at the front, isn't there? Which is nice.
Wiring loom wasn't in the way, it wouldn't be as bad, but yeah.
Is it as worse as the J's? I don't think it is though, is it? Because
no, it don't help the shaft being stuck in the gearbox though.
Which one?
That one.
Which? Oh yeah, because that shaft came out, didn't it? But they was both a bit of a nightmare, weren't they?
Yeah.
So what we've got to do now is just rotate this engine.
It's not going to rotate much more.
Is it not? You should do. Yeah, we're gonna have to rotate it because this bit's higher on this side.
It's not going to rotate with that drive shaft.
Oh no. There's always something in the way, isn't there? So usually what you do with the J's, it's a bit of a secret right now, is you kind of spin it in the engine bay and lift it up that way. So I'm assuming we have to do something similar, but it would obviously be so much easier with the drive shafts both actually out of the gearbox, but one is stuck inside the gearbox. So you can see there's spinning it round.
You hold that there.
I can, Jeff. So you can see the drive shaft down there as well, still in the gearbox. And we're coming away. So here's what we're trying to clear. It is that loom right there. That's what we're trying to clear. Because if we snap that, a lot of wiring to do, which we don't want. Oh, there's stagnant water on back at gearbox.
It's fucking everywhere.
Oh, that's going to smell. I will show you the inside of this turbo in a minute as well, when we get to it. That looks like it's got an oil leak there on the rocker.
Everywhere.
Literally everywhere. I don't know if you guys like these sort of videos. You'll have to let us actually know if you do, because it's just something a bit different. I think once you do so many cinematics in a video, it gets a bit tedious. Whereas sometimes we just like to get straight to the point, but it is nice to have cinematics as well. So just let us know what you think. If you want to see more cinematics, or if you just want to see more information and us talking a load of shit. But there's the turbo. Look inside that turbo. Yeah. Right, so we're about over. Just got the drive shaft. I'm going to hold that up. This is difficult to do with one hand, but I'm trying my best here. Hey, Jack. So that's it. We're pretty much free now, aren't we?
Yeah, it's that.
Whoa.
What's that? Oh, it's just past that.
Yeah, right, go on. Lower it down. There we go. So, one engine at the Mazda 3 MPS, complete, isn't it?
Yeah. Leave it, mate.
So, this is obviously another avenue for us, like we said. This will be the first one we've built, but again, everything we've built so far that is the first one runs perfectly fine. We just have to do our research beforehand, which everybody's supposed to anyway. So it's just something else for us, a different avenue for us to work on, especially because I think soon we'd have probably forged every single course known to man. Hey, Jack. So we're just trying to make sure there's other avenues for us to continue doing our work. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a second part to this, and we're going to strip this engine down, because I think we're going to find some nasties in there. Some nasties, because it has been sat with water in it. So if you want to see a hydrolocked engine, now's the time. So make sure you click in that like button, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow, make sure your bell notification icon is on for the next one, and we'll see you with the Widebody Mazda 3 MPS.